Starting your investing journey can feel overwhelming, but taking the right steps makes it simple. Here are 5 actionable steps you can take today to start investing with confidence. Step number 1. Open an investment account. The first step is to choose a platform to invest through. Consider Wealthsimple for a beginner-friendly, automated investing experience. Or you could also open brokerage account with your bank for convenience and easy transfers. For Canadians, opening a tax-free savings account, TFSA, is a smart move. You can do this through Wealthsimple or your banking institution. A TFSA allows your investments to grow tax-free, meaning you won't pay taxes on your profits. Perfect for maximizing long-term gains. Step number 2. Start investing with buying low-cost index funds or ETFs. Instead of picking individual stocks, consider index funds or ETFs. In Canada, popular options include Vanguard, 50SE Canada, All Cap Index ETF, VCN. It tracks top Canadian stocks. iShares Co MSCI All Country World X Canada Index ETF XORW. It provides global exposure. BMO S&P 500 Index ETF ZSP. It tracks the US S&P 500 for long-term growth. iShares S&P TSX 60 Index ETF XIU. It covers Canada's top 60 companies. These options offer instant diversification and low fees, making them ideal for beginners. Third step is to automate your investments. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking or savings account to your investment account. As soon as your paycheck hits your account, a portion of it should automatically get transferred to your investment account. Even small, consistent contributions like $50 a month can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. You can also set up recurring transactions to buy specific number of units or specified dollar amount of ETFs or index funds. For example, every 2 weeks, my Wealthsimple account buys 6 different ETFs for $50 each automatically. Step number 4 is to focus on long-term growth. Investing is not about quick wins, it's about steady progress. Stay patient and let your investments grow over time. One very important thing to keep in mind is to avoid panic selling during market dips. In fact, when market dips, it's time to buy more. Step number 5 is to educate yourself regularly. Spend time learning about investing strategies, market trends, and financial planning. Resources like books, podcasts, and YouTube channels can build your knowledge. Pro tip is to start small but start now. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. The longer you stay invested, the higher will be your overall returns. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and take your first step toward financial freedom today.